Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and removing the silicone ear tips so you can see the mesh and housing. Once done, position everything on a clean towel and grab a soft brush, a dry toothpick, microfiber cloth, and a 70% isopropyl swab. Damp, not dripping. Make small, controlled strokes across the housing and button areas. You're removing debris that blocks sensors and charging contacts. Make sure to avoid pushing dirt into the speaker mesh. Treat that surface gently to protect the Next, focus on the speaker mesh and the charging case interior. You gently brush the mesh with short strokes. If grime remains, use a barely damp 70% isopropyl swab and lift debris away. Do not saturate. For charging contacts and the case interior, use a dry microfiber or lightly moistened swab to remove oils and lint so charging stays reliable. You also inspect and clear the USB-C port with a soft brush or wooden pick. This prevents connection issues and maintains proper charging. After cleaning, let every component air dry for at least 30 minutes. Do not use heat or compressed air, which can push moisture inside. Once dry, reattach the ear tips and place the buds in the case to confirm they charge. You then pair and run a short audio test and a fit check. Listen for distortion and confirm sensors work. If problems persist, try a factory reset and re-clean charging contacts. If issues remain, contact Sony support for service or replacement guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.